There's a screen, a vintage one. Ooh, smoker's choice. It's the Vape 2.0, a new science. On, it's gone, it popped. I popped it. That's it? Seriously? That was lame. Massive Sanyo CRT TV from the 90s. What is this, about a 36 inch, 30 whatever inch TV? That's pretty big for a CRT. It's very typical. I grabbed this off the curb, of course. It's heavy. It has all the screws, which is nice. If I see one of these TVs that doesn't have all the screws in the back, I don't take it because, well, that means someone has taken the copper out of it. The cord is cut on this one, but who cares? There's still plenty of copper inside. So, just gonna get straight to it here. Even the little screws on the video connectors. And the flyback transformer screw is still in there. Yeah, there are more screws than I thought. And of course I missed one. Oh, it's close. All right, we ready to see this thing? Oh my God, that is a massive CRT. I'd hate to be around if that thing ever went bang. All right, I take my cutters and I start cutting all the wire clips. And all the wires I just cut. Look at this. This is nice copper here. Come on, you piece of crap. There we go. There we go. What's holding it in? Wonder when the last time this thing was... Wow, that's dusty. gonna let air into the CRT. There you go. Now it's safe. Now I don't have to worry about it blowing up in my face. Not that it would, but it could. Alright, what else do we got? More freaking wires. Let's cut those. Gotta get the yoke off. That has a lot of copper in it. What's holding this thing on here? I don't see a screw. What the fuck? Whatever. Might have to break it off. Oh wow, it unplugs. It unplugs. That's actually decent. That's actually good quality. You don't see that very often. Cut some more clamps, wire, zip ties. There's a speaker in there. I have to get that out. That's lovely. And there's... Alright. And there's your speaker. And more wire. Cut it. And oh, the high voltage wire. Come on, I'm just gonna yank it. Damn it, you stupid. There we go. No need to just discharge the CRT. And there we have everything. Out of the TV. Alright, we'll look at that in a minute. And all that's left is a nice wire. I'll cut that. Oh, the yoke. How does this contraption come off? Come on. Whatever. Here are the guts of the TV. I got this off just by kicking it off the back of the TV. What do we got? A nice circuit board with lots of parts on it. The weirdest looking flyback transformer I think I've ever seen. Lots of transformers and resistors. Two big fat coils of copper. Two little speakers. 8 ohms. And some copper. So there, that's in the TV, the end.